Hey, everybody, and welcome back to the Deep Dive. You guys ready to dig into some more ham radio goodness?
Always.
All right, so you're prepping for the first ever SimplePTT net.
The first ever.
First ever. You want to know everything important about it, right?
Without being overloaded, right?
Yeah. No info overload here.
Yo.
Just the good stuff. So we've got a flyer about the event.
A flyer.
Yeah, like a promotional flyer.
Nice.
We've got some info, like just a sheet with some, like,
the nitty-gritty.
Yeah, the nitty-gritty about how to actually get on the net.
Right.
And we also have a message from the head taco himself.
Oh, very nice.
So for those of you who don't know, the head taco is Scott.
He is.
He's the admin for SimplePTT.
For the whole platform.
Yes, the whole platform.
That's right.
And Denny, I'll be the net logger for this.
Nice.
So I'll be keeping track of attendance and stuff like that.
Very important job.
So let's jump into this flyer first.
Okay.
So, I mean, look at this thing.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, just visually, it's very eye-catching. You've got like a New Year's raffle.
Yeah.
And a chance to win a G9 Pro radio.
Whoa.
With a whole year of unlimited SimplePTT service.
Wow. That's pretty incredible.
I know.
Just for participating.
Just for participating.
Wow.
So what do you think about that? I mean, this is like a pretty good incentive to...
Well, yeah. I mean, who doesn't like free stuff, first of all? And a new radio at a G9 Pro. I mean, those are...
They're nice.
They're very nice radios. And then to have it paired with a whole year of unlimited SimplePTT service, I mean, what a great way to ring in the new year, you know?
Absolutely. So...
so it's clever. I like what they're doing here. It's a strategically timed new year, new way to connect.
Exactly.
It's very smart.
So let's get into the actual like details of the net.
Okay.
So it's happening on January 1st, 2025.
Okay.
At 7 p.m. Eastern Time.
All right.
It's happening on the SimplePTT system.
Naturally.
Actually in a room called...
Let me guess.
SimplePTT net.
Oh, way.
I know.
You don't say.
Shocker.
What a surprise.
Okay, but that's good because you can't miss it.
That's right. It's easy to find.
Yeah, and it's open to everyone.
Yes.
Licensed, unlicensed hams, people from all countries are welcome.
All over the world.
All over the world.
Very cool.
So, and there's a 3-minute timeout rule.
Oh, yeah. Let's talk about that.
Okay, so for those of you unfamiliar with net etiquette.
Which is very important.
Very important.
Especially in a structured environment like a net.
So basically what that means is after you check in, you've got 3 minutes to transmit.
Okay.
Before giving someone else a chance.
So it's like taking turns
yes.
around a campfire.
Sharing stories.
Yeah, you don't want to hog the whole fire. You gotta share it with everyone.
Let everybody warm their buns.
Exactly. So 3 minutes and then you pass the mic, so to speak.
Yeah, and it's just to make sure that everyone has an opportunity to participate.
Yeah, and I think that's, you know, especially with something that's open to everybody.
Right. Licensed, unlicensed, folks from all different countries.
Yeah.
You know, the inclusivity is really important.
Yeah.
And, you know, that kind of plays into the fact that, you know, they're trying to build a community here, not just a user base.
Exactly.
So I think that's a really important distinction.
Yeah.
And you can kind of see that woven into the entire fabric of this whole event.
Absolutely. And speaking of community, Denny will be running the net logger.
Right.
So he'll be keeping track of who's present throughout the net, and that's how they'll determine who wins that G9 Pro.
Right. So you got to be present to win.
Be present to win. That's right.
That's right.
So let's move on to this message from the head taco himself.
Yeah.
Let's see. I've got it pulled up here on my computer. He says, I just wanted to say how excited I am for our first ever SimplePTT net.
Yeah.
It's going to be a great way to kick off the new year and connect with other hams from around the world.
Absolutely.
We'll be talking about all things SimplePTT.
Of course.
Giving away some awesome prizes.
Yeah. Just having a good time.
Yeah, it's very casual.
I hope you can all make it.
Very welcoming.
Yeah.
It's almost like he's inviting you over for a digital coffee.
Yeah.
You know, and just a nice chat.
Yeah. What do you think about that?
Well, I think it's great because it, again, reinforces that community aspect.
Yeah.
It's not like, you know, the stuffy formal event.
Right.
This is like, hey, come on in, you know?
Hang out.
Let's talk shop.
Yeah.
Let's win some prizes. Let's have fun.
Yeah.
So I think it's great. And I think the way that the head taco is presenting it really sets that tone from the get-go.
Absolutely. So basically what we've got here is a chance to learn about SimplePTT.
Yeah.
Connect with other users.
From all over.
All over. And potentially win some amazing gear.
Yep.
What's not to like?
I don't know. I can't think of anything.
I can't either.
I mean, it's a brilliant way for them to kind of grow their user base,
right.
You know, and really build a strong community around their technology.
Yeah. So, I mean, imagine
Yeah.
winning that G9 Pro, what would your first transmission on SimplePTT?
With that brand new radio.
With that brand new radio, what would it be?
Oh, man. That's a tough one.
I don't know. I'd have to think about that.
Yeah.
Before we get ahead of ourselves,
Yeah.
I would definitely recommend checking out the SimplePTT platform before the net.
Oh, yeah.
Familiarize yourself with it.
Yeah, explore it a little bit.
Yeah, so you're not going in blind.
Get comfortable.
Yeah. And,
So you're ready to connect.
that's right.
Yeah.
Well, we hope to see you guys there.
Absolutely. We'll be listening for you.
Yes, and thanks for joining us on the deep dive.
Always a pleasure.
We'll catch you guys in the next one.
73.